To get started, we're going to use some Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and it's got the primer and moisturizer both built in. Next, we're going to bust out these super cute cat ears to get my hair out of my face here so I can draw on my brows. And I'm using this new product. It's the Goof Proof Pencil by Benefit, and it has a spoolie on one end, as you see, and the pencil on the other. But this is my second time trying this, and I'm just honestly not a fan. I like a more sharp, precise brow, and I'm more of a big ABH person when it comes to my brows, so I think I'm gonna go back to my dip brow because you know I'm a die-hard on the dip brow. So I'm gonna clean it up here with this Tarte Shape Tape and my number 10 brush from BH Cosmetics, as you see. And then after I carve out my brows with this, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a base for my eyeshadow on my lid, and that's what I'm going to use to prime that to get ready for the Morphe 24G palette. So that's what I'm doing here. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the Morphe 24G palettes. And to start off with, we're going to get the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and the first color we're going to go in with is going to be the color Frenchie, and we're going to use that color as our transition shade. And for our transition shade, we're going to do that with this big fluffy brush in both sides. So just remember, whatever we do on one eye, we repeat on the other. As you see, I'm really bad at product showing in videos. That's the shade Frenchie. Next, we're going in with the color Mooch with this Morphe brush, and we're going just below the transition color, and we're just sweeping it back and forth, and it's going to look a little messy right now, but we're going to clean it up here in a minute with some concealer, so it'll be okay. And just remember, whatever we do on this eye, we're just repeating on the other eye. I had a quick moment where I realized I never set my brows with the brow gel, so that's all I'm doing right here is just putting on some quick brow gel. Now I'm getting my Morphe 433 brush, and I'm going in with the color Brownie, and I'm going in starting from the darkest at my inner corner and sweeping whatever's left on my brush forward, and that's just going to give a little bit dimension for the eye because I am going to be doing a good old-fashioned cut crease. So that's what's going on here. And like I said, it looks a little sloppy right now, but we are fixing to clean that up right this second. And if you've never seen anyone do a cut crease before, guys, this is how you do it. I'm going back in with my concealer and the number 10 brush from BH Cosmetics, and slowly, this video is obviously sped up, but slowly I'm just carving out my lid and just tapping it in and patting, and it looks like I'm going fast, but I'm really going slow and just carving it out and step by step, and you don't want any creases because you want it to look nice and clean. And yeah, that's how you do it. It takes practice to make it perfect, but it took me a while to learn how to do this, but that's how this is done, guys. I'm now going in with the number 9 BH Cosmetics brush and back into that Morphe palette. I'm using the shade Crystal. You can use just another matte color and leave this a plain simple look, but I'm just going with a more of a shimmer glam look today, so that's why I chose the color Crystal. But you could go in with the color Creamer, which is a more plain matte look. And only going in with that inner corner, I'm adding Urban Decay's Midnight Cowboy and to where the creases meet, adding a little bit of glitter because I'm extra. For the wing liner, I'm using the Stila All Day Waterproof Liner. Really quickly, I'm popping on some lashes by e.l.f. and the tool I'm using is just a lash tool by Tarte. These help put on lashes seamlessly. Now it's time for that full coverage. Going in with the damp beauty blender, I'm wearing the Nars All Day Luminous Foundation, and I'm making sure to bring it all over, including bringing it all the way down to my neck, because you don't want that bad line, girl. You don't want to have that awkward, two different toned face and neck. Now for the important part, which is highlighting your face, brightening up your under eye. This is where I use my Holy Grail Shape Tape, and I only dipped in once because this product is a very strong product that goes a very long way. And make sure you are blending it all out. And I like to blend out my nose last because I like to have that little strip down my nose to make my nose look a little skinnier. We're looking a little white, so we're going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Contour Palette, and we're going to go in with this banana powder and this BH Cosmetics number 4 brush and set the under eye, and we're pretty much going to set anywhere we set that concealer with this banana powder, and that's really going to brighten up our face here. And make sure that we stay all day and have very little to no creasing. Now going back in, showing our lower lash line and waterline some love. We're using the color Mooch under our lash line, and then getting this NYX pencil, we're going in with the color Golden Bronze. Bronzing using Park Avenue Princess by Tarte, giving ourselves that awesome bronzer helmet here. No, I'm totally kidding. We don't want a bronzer helmet. We're just bringing color back into our face at this point. And after we bronze, we're going to go in back with that BH Cosmetics contour palette, and using this little contour brush, we're going to go in with this cool tone shade, and we're going to go up, not down, and just chisel our cheeks a little bit, because you know, who needs the gym when you can contour, right? And we're going to contour our nose. Classic blush palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going to color back into the apples of our cheeks here. Riri's turning dirty 30, so we had to use Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife highlighter today, of course, and it goes with the gold bronzy look that we did, so what else would we use? We have this NYX lip liner and Stepping Out Smashbox. Hey guys, thanks for watching and staying until the very end. I just wanted to say as a little thank you for being supportive of my YouTube channel. I'm doing a special giveaway. If you noticed, I used a lot of BH Cosmetics products in this video, and to thank you guys for supporting me, I'm doing a giveaway with 3 BH Cosmetics lipsticks. So these are all liquid lipsticks, and if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway to win these 3 lipsticks, you have to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, and share this video. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you want to win free stuff, who doesn't like free stuff? Just make sure, like, share, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Oh, and I'll be announcing the winner of the giveaway this Friday at 3 o'clock.